Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Giuseppe. I'm 47 years old, and the channel you're watching is the channel of the Italian Keto guy. My channel you can find recipes, traditional recipes converted into keto ones whenever the recipe allows it. And today I'm going to show you another savory recipe, a street food we have here in Naples, the how can I say, spaghetti frittata, fried spaghetti. And of course, since we are in keto, we do not use any pasta, gluten pasta, not even gluten-free pasta, because they are also high in sugar, in carbs. But I'm going to use this one that I bought from the Italian Amazon, but I uploaded a few of these kind konjac spaghetti on my US Amazon. So if you live in the US and you would like to try a spaghetti konjac based recipe, you can give a look to the Amazon, the American Amazon store, and you can buy them if you want. Those spaghetti, those konjac, it's a root, is an Asian root, and has the feature that absorbs the dressing you put into it. It's completely neutral, and so by the end of the video I will show you some 10 dressings that you can use to make this pasta. It's really delicious. And also a trick that you can use to avoid they have a strong smell. So with the trick I will show you in a while, you can get rid of this smell and taste. Let's see how I made them. Okay, I'm going to show you the Italian one, the one that I bought from the Italian Amazon, but as you can see on my Amazon US store, I have those two different kind of shirataki konjac spaghetti. So as I said, if you are in the US, feel free to use them. So the trick to get rid of the smelling fish odor is to rinse them for at least a couple of minutes under the running cold water, as you can see, and this way you get rid most of that odor, that fish odor. But then besides this, you can keep them in the boiling water, hot boiling water, for a couple of minutes. So from the moment you put them inside, the boiling stops. When the boiling starts again, count 2 minutes and then let them cool down. Beat an egg, one egg only, for 250 grams of pasta, 1 teaspoon of grated parmesan, mix the whole, and then pour the spaghetti, the cold spaghetti, otherwise the eggs coagulate. So let the vermicelli, the spaghetti, cool down and then mix thoroughly. Once you have done this, in a while there is the light of the flesh, but now you will see without the scene without flesh. When you see this, they are ready. So just put some extra virgin oil or lard or ghee butter or coconut oil in a pan, and pour the spaghetti, the vermicelli, the shirataki, whatever, on a low flame inside the pan, and spread all around the borders, spread the spaghetti all around the borders of the pan evenly, as you can see. Then after 5-7 minutes on a moderately low flame, flip the frittata over by using a plate, and then cook the other side. With the fork, just fix the borders so that they will be even, and then repeat. If you like, you can flip it over again with a plate. Don't do this mistake. So that it, if you like it crispy on the top, do it more than once and keep the spaghetti more in the pan. And this is the final result that we are going now to taste. And here we are, as usual, the tasting. This is the spaghetti, fried spaghetti. with konjac, of course, not pasta, konjac. Let's try them, let's taste them. Sublime. Delicious, scrumptious. The combination of the eggs with the grated parmesan gives this product a sublime touch of delicacy. The konjac spaghetti, because of their nature, they absorb the dressing you put them into, so they are completely neutral as taste. They don't taste of, they taste of anything, neutral. So this dressing with eggs and parmesan is delicious. Here you can see some more dressings that you could try with those spaghetti, because this kind of food, if I can say like that, absorbs the dressing. So the carbs are just coming from the dressing you use. The spaghetti, konjac spaghetti itself, they are only made of fiber, so no carbs. And you can, how can I say in English? You can give room to your fantasy to use whatever dressing, keto dressing you like. And if you don't, if you are not able to quit pasta yet, those konjac spaghetti are really, really nice and keto. And with those dressings, you can definitely taste pasta. So I hope you like the video. If you have any comments, please write them down. I will reply accordingly. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I need your support. I want to reach 10k, 10,000 followers as soon as possible. Thanks for your support. It's my strength, and see you at the next recipe. Ciao.